Hello, everybody. This is your teacher, Joyce. Let me do a quick review of what we just learned. Okay, so let's start from the note. This is a whole note, right? And then the value is 4 apples, like 4 bits. And then you can divide the whole note into 2 with the half note, right? And then half note we can divide into quarter note. Okay? And then quarter note can be divided into eighth note. I'm just gonna link the flag. So if you see this image, you will know that one whole note have a 4 quarter, 8 eighth notes, right? And then eighth note can be divided into 16, right? Let me just link all the 16s here. So 1/8 note has two 16. So we have like 16 notes, right? Okay, and then we can divide it. This is 16, and we can divide like 32 and 64, but let me stop here, okay? And we're talking about dot, okay? So this is dot. It can be added into the various notes, okay? So let's look at its value here. When you put dot always, added after the note. So this one we call the dotted whole note, okay? So we all know that the note name now, you just can add dotted, okay, before. So we have half note, but we have dotted, half note. Quarter, dotted, quarter note. We have eighth note, dot 하면은 I just spoke Korean. Oh my gosh. Dotted, eighth note. And then we have 16. We have dotted 16th note. Okay. So, the dot, its value is the half value of the note before. Okay. So, you can easily think this way, whole note plus dot, right? And then we all know that whole note, the value is 4 plus dot is the half value of the whole note, which is 2. So this is a 6. Okay, so value is 6. This one, half note plus dot. Half note is 2 bits, right? Half of the value of the half note, this is 1 quarter. So the value is 3. Quarter note plus dot, 1 plus half, right? So it's going to be like this when you, like that. And this one is quarter plus eighth note. So this one is 1.5. Okay. And this one, eighth note plus dot, half of the, this is half of the value, half value of the note. So this is eighth note plus 16, right? And the eighth note is half, and then 16 is what? 1/4. Okay, so this one is 3/4. And then look at this. This is 16 plus dot, 16, and then the half value of the 16, which is you add one more flag, this is 32nd, okay? So 16 is 4, like 1/4, and then 32nd is what? 32nd is 1/8, right? So this one is going to be like a 3/8, okay? So, you know, it's kind of complicating. I hope it's not. But when you look at your big chapati here, okay? So this is half, okay? So this much is eighth note, right? You see? Eighth note is one, like half, right? But when you divide it into 4, then this much is what? 16, right? So that is 18 and this is 16, 2 flag, okay? And then when you divided this chapati into 8 pieces, okay, then this much is going to be 32nd, okay? And if you like divide it one more time, that is what? 64, okay? So here, when you see 2/8 note is going to be 1/4, okay? And then when you see this one, let's do some math here, okay? So 1/2 note, I mean 1/8 note plus 2/16. It's the same, okay? And then 2/16. If you look at this image, this you know, this chapati here, 2/16, okay? 2/16 is what? 2/16, okay? 2/16 is what? 2/16, and then let's do 4/32. This one is 1/4 too, okay? So here is eighth note is what? Half, okay? And then 16th note, this is 1/4. And then your 32nd is 1/8, okay? And then if you look at, we don't want to do that, but 1, 2, 3, 4, like a 64. Okay, so this is 64th. That is going to be 1/16. Okay.